In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Audible desktop captions. If you like listening to audiobooks but also want on-screen text to follow along, this quick setup will generate captions right on your desktop while you play Audible in your browser. It's especially helpful for noisy environments, learning new vocabulary, or making listening more accessible. Start by opening Audible on your computer in a web browser. Make sure you're on the desktop site and signed in. Then navigate to the page where you play your audiobook. Keeping Audible open will let you test captions as soon as we turn them on. Next, look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the menu icon, which looks like three vertical dots. Click that menu to open more options. This is where your browser keeps tools and preferences that affect how pages behave. From that menu, choose Settings. Your browser will open a new tab or page with all of its controls. We're heading there to switch on a built-in feature that can listen to audio playing in the browser and display real-time text on your screen. In the Settings page, find and select Accessibility from the left-hand sidebar. This section focuses on features designed to make browsing easier to see, hear, and use. If your window is small, you might need to scroll the sidebar a bit to spot it. Inside Accessibility, look for Live Caption. This option automatically captions audio that plays in the browser, including audiobooks on Audible. It works by generating text on the fly, so you don't need a special transcript from the publisher. It's fast, and once it's on, it runs in the background. Turn on Live Caption using the toggle. The first time you enable it, your browser may briefly download speech files so it can generate captions locally. That's normal. Just give it a moment to finish. When the toggle is on, switch back to your Audible tab. Now, play your audiobook. Within a few seconds, you should see a small caption box appear on your screen with the spoken words transcribed as the audio plays. You can usually drag this box to a different corner if it's covering something, and you can expand or collapse it to suit your view. If captions don't appear right away, make sure the audio is actually playing and the tab isn't muted. Captions only show while sound is active. That's it. You've turned on desktop captions for Audible in your browser. Enjoy listening, reading along, and making your audiobook experience clearer and more accessible.